Hello everyone, this is me Sadhya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Virgo. So let's see what is coming up for Virgos in the month of December 2020. I have already pulled out cards to save time. So yeah, I pulled out different oracle cards in this reading and no charms will be added, even though I wanted to take charms but I forgot to take for the sign of Leo. So I'm not going to take charms this time for the remaining signs as well. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out what is heading towards the Virgo people for the month of December. Let's begin the reading with the tarot first, and then we're going to take the oracle cards in this reading. So let's see what is coming for you guys in the month of December. Virgos, wow, Ace of Wands paired up with Eight of Cups and King of Swords. You're starting off a new beginning, starting off the month of December with a new beginning with a specific someone. Somebody who either walked away from you or you walked away from that somebody in the past. And now you are coming together because now you understand, now you know that this connection is meant to be. So I do think that you walking away from that person was basically a plan of was a bigger plan of God, of the bigger plan of the universe for the two of you to come together. Somehow I feel like you were in a twin flame journey with this person. There were certain things that were happening for the betterment of the two of you together, and that's why you couldn't come together in the past when you were together. I feel like this time around when you are coming together, when you are starting anew, it's gonna last forever because now you and your person knows the worth of this connection that you have with them. So it's like a new beginning after you both have grown individually on personal levels, and that's gonna be the beauty of this connection because now you know each other's worth, now you respect each other's presence in the each other's world. I feel like in the past maybe you or them took each other for granted for sure. So I feel like things have changed, you have changed, they have changed, and the way you are reconnecting or reuniting with this person this time in the month of December, it's gonna be like never before. You never valued them the way you are going to value them now. The energies could be reversed for some of you as well, but yes, that's what I'm picking up. It seems like some beautiful new beginnings are happening for you in the month of December. The passion, the fire that you have for this person now in your life, it's like something that you never experienced before. Be that with the same person or be that with any other person in your life. Um, you might have always been a very rough and tough kind of a person who was never very emotional at all, like even though you would be, but you never expressed that emotional side of you to anyone. But this time around with this person you are going to be a different you. So yeah, let's take some clarifiers for all the cards here, and let's see what else do we have coming for you in the month of December. Ace of Wands clarified with Ace of Wands, a passionate, exciting new beginning with you and your specific someone. Let's see. You might have been in separation with this person. Like I said, maybe either you walked away, they walked away, or you pushed them away, and that's why they left you. Maybe you were not giving into the connection, that's why they left you in the past. Or maybe you pushed them away because you were not ready for a committed relationship. You thought it's not your type of kind of a thing. Um, and now, after having the clarity around the connection, after having the understanding that this connection is meant to be, that's when you're coming. It's almost the same energies that came up for the sign of Leo. Uh, and I think for the Pisces too. So maybe for some of you, you are dealing with the signs related to those two signs as well, but it doesn't have to be. But I feel like maybe you are dealing with either one of them. um, but yes, it seems like almost the same situation here with you guys. Okay, so we do have King of Wands and Seven of Swords. you and this person has been single for quite some time. Like, you parted ways, but neither you moved on, neither they did, nor they did. I feel like, you both are single right now, and that's like, that's something. It's like a confirmation coming from God, from the universe, that even if you tried moving on, you couldn't, because that's how you both are destined to be together. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Let's find out. Um, Receive. Be open to receiving goodness. Believe you are worthy of abundance. A gift is coming to you soon. It can be your person coming towards you, or if you were the one who was holding yourself back in the past, then it is going to be you, and your person is going to be on the receiving end. Sanctuary. Take time from the world, spend more time alone, meditate, and go on retreat. I feel like, that's exactly what you have been doing lately around this connection. You have been taking some time off to understand the connection that you have with this one specific someone. You staying away from each other is basically the thing which brought you two together. It's like, I feel like, you are either in separation right now, or if not, then you have recently came back into each other's life again. Soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate. So yeah, the person that you are dealing with in your life right now, the person that you are reconciling with and starting anew with, is your soulmate for sure. Let's see more cards here. Chemistry. The same cards came up for the sign of Leo or Pisces as well. So there is a strong magnetic attraction here between the two of you. You both are, or both could be, somebody who is in late 20s to mid 30s to late 30s, or even more than that, because I feel like, you have spent a whole life, a kind of whole lifetime together. It seems like, you have been with each other for quite some time, maybe for quite some, years of being togetherness is what I'm picking up. Let's see more cards here. Be in the present moment, dream of the future. When we dream, everything is possible. I feel like, number 40. So some of you could be of age 40 or something, or more than that. It seems like, you have waited for this reconciliation, reunion for with this person for your whole lifetime. I feel like, it's like a dream come true finally at the in the after a great or big period of wait, and all those things, you are finally coming together with this person. I feel like there could be some sort of planetary movements which were like stopping the reunion in the past, but now it's happening. The universe and the planetary movements are now in the support of this connection for sure. In the month of December, romance. Lavish the one you love with personal attention and affection. I feel like, you are going to be spending a lot of time together. You are going to be cherishing the moments that you are going to be spending together. You and your person are going to be spending. Maybe you are going to plan a vacation or a holiday together as well. You are going to be expressive towards each other. The emotions are going to be pretty much expressed through gestures, through words too, but I feel like, it's going to be more of the feeling part this time around. The words are not going to do the good that needs to be done in this connection after the reconciliation, after the reunion of two souls. It was meant to happen, by the way, because I feel like, it's more of something that was divinely timed, and now is the time when it is happening between the two of you, and you both are going to be very happy and emotionally fulfilled together. Scarlet attracts success. You are going to be very lucky in the month of December overall. Number 7 is also going to be a lucky date. Maybe it's going to be a lucky date for you. 25 could be a lucky date as well for you. Then we do have purple. Developmental clarity, number 39. 39, 40. I feel like, that age frame, 25 to 40, could be the age frame for the people who are choosing who are belonging to the sign of Virgo. I was about to say who are choosing this deck or something, because I've been doing lots of pick a cards and stuff. So yeah, I feel like, it's high time that you have the mental clarity around this connection as well. And this time, the whole month of December is going to be very significant in terms of you aligning yourself with what you want. And that's going to happen if and only if you have a clarity towards whatever that you desire, whatever that is happening, whatever that you are doing exactly the opposite to what you want, what you desire. So try to align yourself with what you want by being in the present moment and dream of the future. Like, whatever you want, dream of that one thing and think of that one thing till it becomes your new reality. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you in the month of December. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. And till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.